Hey guys, get ready. We are about to talk about something that feels like magic, and it's called generative AI. Imagine this, you give a computer a few words and it writes an entire story. You describe a scene and it paints a picture for you. You hum a tune and it composes a song in return. You upload a sketch and boom, it creates an animated character. So, that's not science fiction, that's the power of generative AI. So, buckle up, we are stepping into the world where machines can create, learn from us, and even inspire us. Artificial intelligence enables machines to replicate human like behavior. Its key characteristics include mimicking human intelligence, which means creating machines or softwares that can think and act like humans. These systems try to understand, learn, and solve problems just like a person would do. Also, AI can learn from past experiences. AI utilizes machine learning to refine behavior based on data, improving over time. For example, if you want to watch an action movie, Netflix will recommend more action films because it learns what you like. AI also solves real world problems. It is used in industries like healthcare for diagnosis and finance for fraud detection. AI can help. uh, AI can look at a lung scan and detect signs of tumor and more quickly than a human might. Bank uses AI to spot unusual transactions that might be fraud. If your credit card is used in two different countries at the same time, AI alerts the bank to check if it is a scam. It is also used for predicting and making decisions. For example, AI looks at the data like temperature, wind speed, and humidity from the past, present, and it predicts what will be the temperature today. For example, it predicts if it will rain tomorrow by analyzing how similar conditions in the past led to rain. Another example is online shopping recommendations. AI studies what you have bought or searched for. For example, if you recently looked at hiking boots, the website might suggest jackets or backpacks because it predicts you are planning a hiking trip. So now let's understand what is generative AI. So we will look at the word generative and then AI. Now, what do we understand with the word generate? Generate means to create, produce, or bring something into existence. The example of generate can be this app generates personalized workout plans. Generative AI involves creativity and origin. It emphasizes the production of something new or unique. Now, let's see how does generative AI works. As a chef wants to create an entirely new and innovative dish for combining elements and flavors from different cuisines. To establish this, he studies a wide range of recipes and culinary techniques. Similarly, generative AI models learn from numerous sets of data and use that knowledge to produce new and original output by blending elements from the original data. Now let's look at the difference between AI and conventional AI. What is generative AI? It is designed to create new content. It requires large data sets and replicate creative patterns. Now, with conventional AI, it requires data for classification, regression, and optimization. It can produce biased or incorrect data if the data is flawed. With conventional AI, it is limited to predefined rules or training objective. Now, now let's some over here you can see deepfake. So what is deepfake? A video might show celebrity saying something, but it is never recorded. They didn't actually say it. Then the AI created a fake version of the fake and the voice. Even Dale, Art Reader, Run ML, all these are options of the examples of generative AI. Again, a summary. We have with generative AI, we have chatbots, smart assistants, e-payments, search algorithms, media streaming. Conventional AI is smart cars, navigation apps, facial recognition, text editors, and social media feeds. Okay, now a very interesting part. We come to, we shall now see, experience how the magic of generative AI works. Let's say we want to narrate a story using visuals. So, what is the first part? Think of a brief description of your character, right? Second is structure your prompt. So, now, how are you going to structure your prompt? You will specify the age, gender, skin color, hair color, clothes, and expressions. And most important, the style or the theme of the image. Now, what is a style or a theme of image? You can, where while generating it, you can just explore. Some of the examples of the style or theme are Pixar animation, 2D flat is illustration, photography, and animation. So I would suggest that you can have a hands-on just to see what all these styles give to you. Now, if we have to create a prompt for my generative AI, I simply say, create an image of a young woman with shoulder length brown hair and green eyes. She is wearing a blue dress and standing in a garden. She has a gentle smile and is holding a book in a photographic style. So when you give this prompt, you can, a picture will be generated, and I have just shown the picture for to you over here for reference. Next is, let's say now this is an hands-on experiment which teachers can create for their students, right, using AI. So they can ask the students to brainstorm their own ideas for a poster, right? And what prompt they can give? Imagine a place or a scene that doesn't exist. Then have ask them to write at least 3 detailed prompts for their idea. Their prompt can be a classroom in space with astronauts as teachers, and a beach filled with colors, crystal sculptures, and during sunrise. Now, students put their inputs into the tool and generate images. Encourage them to adjust their prompts and experiment with details like colors, objects, and time of the day. So, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the session. See you soon. Bye bye.